Hey everybody, it's Phil Strazula from Select Software Reviews, and this is another 5-day email course that we put together for you guys, specifically about artificial intelligence in HR and recruiting. We did these 5-day email courses because we realized that people want an easy way to quickly understand the basics around a key topic. We've done them on buying HR tech, we've done them on return on investment calculations, and this one specifically is about artificial intelligence in recruiting. And the analogy that we're going to rely on here again and again is that AI is sort of like your exoskeleton. It allows you to do what you need to do faster, better, cheaper. And it's not something to be feared. It's something that actually is in our lives already. So if you go onto Google and you type in something, Google is using an artificial intelligence engine to understand who you are, what you're probably searching for, and most importantly, what the best results will be for you as an individual. AI is also present in things like cars that can park themselves or computer vision technology that allows satellites to understand massive amounts of data very quickly so that a human being, instead of looking at millions of different photos, can look at the 20 that actually matter to them. Again, going back to this exoskeleton that instead of searching the entire web for what we want, they're going to give us a short list of things so that we can be more productive. So what are we going to cover in this course? We're going to start off with the use cases. How are people actually implementing today artificial intelligence in their human resources as well as recruiting functions? We're then going to talk about return on investment and benefits. Again, we have an entire email course just on return on investment calculations. Kind of a meaty topic, especially if you want to build your own Excel models. Check that out if you haven't already. We're going to talk about kind of the basics here. We're going to talk about bias and pitfalls. AI is extremely far from being perfect, as anybody knows who's ever done a Google search. And lastly, we're going to talk about how do we run effective demos. If we latch on to a couple of these use cases, they resonate with us, we want to go out, we want to find vendors, we want to vet vendors, implement and be successful. How do we do that in a way that we can have a lot of confidence? So Phil Strazula, you're done with day one. I hope you're going to enjoy this. Feel free to reply to these emails any day to give us feedback, ask questions, forward them to friends if you think they're interesting, help us out and kind of spread the word about this stuff. And I'll see you tomorrow for day two.